In this video, I'm going to show you a real simple way that you can actually use to start making some money. You don't need any experience, and this can be done from pretty much anywhere in the world. So, if you're interested, stick around for today's video. What's going on, peoples? So today I'm going to show you this really easy way that you can actually use to make some money online. Now, if you're new here, my name's Paddy, and every single day I bring out all different types of videos showing you how you can actually start to generate some of that lovely moolah. So go and hit subscribe and hit the little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you want my #1 recommendation to making a full-time income right here online, then click that link in the description below and I'll send that straight to you. So, what's this really easy way to start generating some cash? Well, again, it's with arbitrage. Now, I've spoken a lot about arbitrage on my channel because it's just such a good business model, and there's so many different ways that you can use arbitrage. Now, for this instance, I'm going to show you how to use Fiverr and where to outsource your gigs. Kind of outsourcing anyway. So when you're on Fiverr, Fiverr is actually simple to sign up, it's completely free, and you can offer your services. What we'll be offering today is email marketing. Now, I know what you're probably thinking. You're probably thinking, heck, Paddy, I have no idea about email marketing. Why are you showing me this? Well, because this is a real simple gig that you can offer on Fiverr. So if we scroll down, let's take a little look at some of these gigs. So they've actually got 260 reviews, and it says, I will write email copy for your email marketing campaigns. And they're selling that for $10. Now I'm going to show you how you can do this completely for free, so it doesn't even cost you anything to get started. Now, as you can see here, there's another one. I will manage your email marketing and email campaign. And this one, I will write short but effective emails for your email marketing. And if you look, they're selling this for £24.60. So, how do we actually sell an email marketing service if we have no idea how to write emails? Well, believe it or not, this is so simple, it's ridiculous. So if we scroll up a minute, let's go over to ClickBank. Now, you're not going to be purchasing anything on here. I want to show you how you can get these email marketing campaigns. So, straight away, I've gone to health and fitness. I've found this product just here. And all you have to do, if we scroll through this, you can see that each one of these products has an affiliate page. So on these affiliate pages, they give resources to help you promote that product. Now, on quite a lot of these products and these affiliate pages, you get email marketing swipes. Now, these email marketing swipes are made by professional marketers. They're made to convert. They're made to have really good copy in them. Now, for this instance, I've brought up Alpha Nation's affiliate page. And if we scroll through here, we can see they have quite a lot of different email marketing swipes. Now, I've opened up this in a new tab just so you can get an idea. So, what you could do, say you've made a gig on Fiverr selling this service, then you get an order. So someone wants you to write them a little email. Now, they're going to tell you what niche this is. So they'll probably say health and fitness. Then what you can do is come over to ClickBank, go to the health and fitness, find some email swipes like this, open it up into a Word document, and then change out some of the details. So obviously you would want to take that out and then change out a little bit specifically for your customer over on Fiverr. See, this is really easy to do. This isn't going to cost you anything to start because we can get all these email swipes for free. And yes, this is completely legal to do. Now, you can also Google around looking for email swipes. So if they want you to create an email weight loss, then you could just also Google weight loss email swipes. Now, this, like I said, this is so easy to do. This isn't going to cost you anything to start. To get a Fiverr account is completely free. To create your gig is completely free as well. Now, when it comes to creating your gig, what I recommend you actually do is find all the good sellers on here, open them up into a new tab, look how they've worded their description, then model your gig on theirs. Okay, so that's really easy to do. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know in the comments down below so I can make more videos like this, some really great methods on how to make some extra cash. Now, if we scroll down, we can see their email consists of 150 words or less. They'll write a really effective email and a killer subject line that works. You can also Google subject lines, killer subject lines, great subject lines, and model on that. Look, money is only an idea. You don't have a lack of money, you have a lack of ideas. Once you understand this, it's really easy to come up with ideas or concepts on how to make money. Okay, I just thought I'd chuck that in there. Anyway, if we scroll down to their description, you can check it out, see how they've worded it, and model yours on theirs. Don't completely take this word for word, just model it. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go and hit subscribe and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a thing. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.